before her nap?
Okay. Hold on, honey.
What are you shopping for now?
I'm not shopping for anything.
What am I
We'll
shopping?
have the rest of your bottle normal, okay?
Please stop taking pictures of these things, Dad.
Okay.
Can you?
I'm not taking pictures.
No, you're taking a video, which I meant to say. But taking the video.
Alright, I'll stop. Should I stop now?
Yes.